Alright, this is probably by far the most beat to crap Lakewood I have ever found or gotten ever. This is a second generation Lakewood P-223 3-speed. It's pretty rough. Grills are missing a bunch of pieces right there, right down here. It's just a mess. I mean, I guess this could be saved, but it's really filthy. I don't know where this thing was used, but whoever used it didn't treat it very well. There's the motor. It's got the round stator Macmillan, and it's freaking filthy. But just wait till you see the bottom of this thing. Yeah, you got that right. It is rusted almost through, I would imagine. In some places, maybe. But this thing is a wreck. But despite its sad shape, guess what? Like every other Lakewood out there, it still works. And it doesn't even have a motor hum. It's not even seized. It runs pretty normal, really. And low. Yeah, it's quite amazing. Yeah, and further proof you can't kill a vintage Lakewood, even in the condition this one's in. So there's that. Thanks for watching.